Awaमी League General Secretary and former Bridge Minister Obaidul Qadir's personal assistant Abdul Motin Hawladar has been remanded by the court for 3 days. Dhaka Senior Judicial Magistrate Abdullah Muhammad Saleh granted his remand on Tuesday. Inspector Ilyas Hossain of Keranigঞ্জ Model Police Station, investigating officer in the case of Sting Ria's murder in Keranigঞ্জ, Dhaka, produced Abdul Motin Hawladar in Dhaka Judicial Magistrate Court today. He applied for a 7-day remand for interrogation. On the other hand, the accused applied for bail seeking cancellation of remand. The state party heard on behalf of the remand. After the hearing, the court granted a 3-day remand to Abdul Motin Hawladar. Along with Abdul Qadir's personal assistant, Dhaka Metropolitan North Awami League's Forest Environment Affairs Secretary was Abdul Motin Hawladar. On Sunday, after getting information about his location, law enforcement officers surrounded a house in Char Washpur village of Shakt Union in Keranigঞ্জ. The house was brought in the name of Motin's wife. His location was confirmed and he was arrested from there on Monday morning.